It's day 4. The beach. Headed to the waterfall. What's up? Up there in the rainforest. It's gonna be pretty cool. We're just here taking a little break.
Should leave the camera in the car in case you're in. Not mine.
You're right. Well, we've gone as far as we can in the car. We're walking the rest of the way to the waterfall. There's the waterfall. We grow. We get electrocuted. It's like a hydroelectric plant.
Yeah, I made it through.
We're on top of it. Checking out that view. We're gonna continue our trip up. The clouds are right there. Walk the trail at your own risk. That's right. This is real. Siempre. Be careful. Friendly reminders. Our trail has turned into rocks and boulders. Pretty intense. It's a great cardio workout. I don't know if we made a wrong turn or something, but
that might be it.
This is the waterfall we were going to. They're telling us it's not it, which I mean makes sense because this is just kind of like a little thing, I guess. But it takes us as a good opportunity to wet myself just a little bit. It's kind of hot here, so
Pretty nice water thing.
yeah, I mean it's like it's cute. It's just not, what I thought it would be. And I think we're getting closer to some water because there's this little stream running through. You see it, Robert? Oh wow. Wow. Look at that. It's crazy. Let's check out this water. It's a little chilly.
I'm not going in there now.
We're going swimming. Oh no! It's cold. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. Wow. It's cold as heck, but I'm gonna do it. Ready? Jesus. We're hiking back and it's raining pretty hard. We're we got home, changed. Now we're going to what is this, Robert? Like a natural spring?
Like a,